Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to get out of 3D mode in Photoshop. Now, this is really simple to do. All you have to do is you have to go to Window, and then from Window you have to go to Workspace, and then here, as you can see, you will have 3D, which is the workspace I'm in. And if I want to exit out of this workspace, I can go to Essentials, and this will basically be the Essentials is basically the basic workspace of Adobe Photoshop, and this is how you can turn it back. Now, if you for some odd reason want to go to back to the 3D, you can go to Window, then Workspace, and then 3D. And also what you can do is here you can see that you have 3D transform controls, right, and stuff like that, right? But you can also go to 3D, and here you can get a lot more 3D options available if you want. But that's pretty much how to get out of 3D mode in Photoshop. If you want more Photoshop tutorials, more stuff like this, then definitely comment down below, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.